This conference will now be recorded.
So good morning everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to create a HD Insight cluster in Azure. Okay. So first go to portal.azure.com. Okay. So here portal.azure.com. First you have to create an account here. You can create a Microsoft account using your Gmail ID. So I already created my account. So first time after creating a user, you can see this here, and here you can see start Azure free trial. Just click this one. Now you can take a free trial here, but here it required a profile. Okay, and also here it required your credit card details. I think debit card ICICI it can allow. Can you please check with that? So otherwise this one credit card details you have to provide. Okay, I verify phone, card number, agreement, everything you have to take so that a free account is created in Azure. Okay, now this is a 12 months of free products. So first 30 days you can use all your virtual machine storage and all. Later you can upgrade that one based on your upgradation and based on your usage, the money will be deducted. And also here you can see you won't be charged unless you choose to upgrade. So if you don't explicitly click upgrade, okay, then only the charges will be applied. Otherwise, no charges will be applied. So first you have to create an Azure account. Now, this is first step. Create Azure account, create Microsoft account. Then get a free trial account. Okay, choose a free trial one. Later, log in with the okay Microsoft account. Now here I'm going. Okay, I'm going to log out. So here I already created one account. Okay. So once you click this one, it will be redirected to here. Okay. Now, here you can see left side all the resources. So what are the available resources in Azure? Okay, so all multiple resources are there. Okay, so here go to analytics. You can see HD Insight clusters. Click this one. Or directly HD Insight is one of the resource. Using that you can, or directly you can go HD Insight here. HD Insight clusters. In this one, okay, just click HD Insight here. Type HD Insight. Now here, just click this one. A window will be open here. Go to add. Now I'm going to create a cluster. So subscription by default here free trial because we are using a free trial. And then resource group. So here first you have to create a resource group. Okay. So as I told you, okay. So in Azure environment, you can see So I will tell you that. So create new. So use any resource group. Hadoop practice. Select this one. Now cluster name. Enter your cluster name. You can use anything. Next, which region it is? Take your nearby. So the cluster name already taken. Okay. So Hadoop development September. Now choose any cluster type. So which cluster do you want to select? I want to select a Hadoop cluster. Select Hadoop. Now here by default Hadoop 2.73. Okay, installed in these systems. This is not allowed. Okay. This resource name is not allowed. Now here admin choose the password. Guys, remember this password. Whatever the password you are going to hear, remember this password. Now same similar password here also. Okay. Now so choose SSH user, review and create. Okay. So here go to after basic go to storage. Now here you can choose your storage account. Okay. Now here create a new Hadoop development. Okay. Hadoop development I created. So generally it should not ask. Okay, if it is asked, give any name. Now go to your review and create. Okay. Now here you can see how much billing it is. You already credited some amount when you created a cluster. Already you got some amount. So configuration and pricing. I don't want to make it such a huge amount. I decreased this one. So here I'm going to select very less one, which is a 2 nodes is enough. Here also, yeah, fine. Okay. Now review and create. Now the cluster will be created. Okay, guys, it is going to take 10 to 15 minutes time. It is going to take 10 to 15 minutes time. So you can now here create. So here you can see this one submitting the deployment. Okay, now it is going to here a cluster will be created. Okay, wait, we'll see. Okay, so it is going to take 10 to 15 minutes time, guys. Okay, we'll wait few minutes.
This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, still cluster is going to create, cluster is creating. So actually generally it is going to take 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, but my network is slow, so it is still in progress. Okay, so next I will do one. Okay, so it is created fine. Okay, it is created fine. Good. So now go to all services. Now go to your clusters. I mean to say, go to home. Go to your HD inside clusters. Now a cluster is running here. Click this one. Okay, click this one. And then you can see here SSH cluster login. Click this one. Here, just now you have given some host name. So with your this cluster name, it is created. Now copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Go to your command prompt. Now paste it here. Now here it is going to create a cluster. It is connected to Hadoop cluster. So just now you have given password, right? Now it is connected to Hadoop. So Hadoop FS-LS. So how to use this Hadoop environment related next video I'm going to post. And here the same thing you can connect it to your PuTTY also. Go to your PuTTY. Now here you can use this one, the cluster IP. Here you got it right. Okay, copy this one. So here provide your cluster name. Okay. Now username SSH user. Password. Okay. Just now here. So here also it is going to connect it to the cluster. Okay. Thanks guys. Thanks for